All right, it's Harry. What's up, Harry?
What's up, bro?
Harry, Austin, Justin, the whole crew is here today to do nothing, just hang out, really. But while he's here, I am gonna put Harry to work. So.
Hell yeah.
We got ourselves it's a parachute handle kit from our buddies over at Motorsports.
Ooh.
So we got they provide, there you go. They provided the front end clip and the headers. They made the headers on the car as well.
The what?
The headers, those turbo headers.
Yeah.
They also fabricated those, yeah. So this kit is made to go, it's going to move the parachute handle from where it's at now to the e-brake.
Okay.
So we're going to put that on today. Get that done. We just got to remove that shifter and everything else to get to it.
That's not bad.
No, it's not too bad. It's just a couple bolts, really. Luckily on my side, I've got the swing away, but Harry's gonna have to work with what he's got over there. Luckily for Harry, he's got a young spine, so he can afford the flexibility. Right there.
Oh,
good
okay.
Good luck. How you been, bro?
Good.
Yeah.
What about you, bro?
I mean, same old thing, you know? It's been a while since you've been down this way.
I know, Corona.
Yeah, the problem with that thing is it loosens up and then tightens up, and then you basically have to work it all the way out. It's one of those bolts, you know?
Yeah.
It's like not gonna give you an inch of flex. Well, my side's done.
I'll be here.
I'm glad I fabricated this to be the most easiest setup to take off. I know, dude. Oh,
I got it.
is it giving you some? Maybe if I wiggle it. I think before if I wiggled it, it was like it gave me. There it goes. There it goes. And then this whole thing comes up and lays out of the way just like that. See?
So easy.
Isn't that cool?
Hey, give me one of those.
Alright. So now the boot comes off. Put that over there. Then the center console piece. Put that over there. And then this center console can come up. Alright. That's pretty easy.
Yep.
Looks like it just bolts on. No fabrication needed. Dude, that's pretty sturdy on there. I mean, that's on there good. One thing I hate about the handle up there where we did it, first of all, it's self-tapped up there. Okay. The second, it's very flimsy. So, so here's the tricky part. We're gonna have to do this without pulling the chute.
Without pulling the chute.
Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out how to.
Justin or Austin, one of them can go hold the it's that, or
Oh, we could put the safety pin in it, huh?
yeah.
Yeah, that'll keep it from deploying. Oh, I haven't gotten to use this yet. Look at that. The Bullet WS6. You like that?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah. Where you get that?
Well, my dad got that for me for Christmas. Fancy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, got it.
Dang, you're cheating on your snap-on with a matte coat.
Off there. There we go. They also serve as wire cutters. I don't know if you noticed.
Oh yeah?
Cut it right there.
Ooh. Got you one right here. Oh, he's giving me the honors. Look at that. Look at that.
Shout out to our boys. That's all the Motorsports. Dude, this is stuck to the headliner. It's gonna rip my headliner. Don't look at this body. These body guys are gonna kill me. Don't look, bros. Oh! I'm gonna have to reupholster the headliner, bros. Oh, there is a massive hole right there. That is so nasty.
Look at your shirt. It's full of it. You glued it on there?
I don't remember gluing it on there. It's very common.
I need to get seatbelts for my car. There's so much shit I need for my car.
A parachute.
It's a little.
I don't need a parachute. His car was on stock brakes and it ran sevens.
I'm actually installing the 6-speed shifter.
Hell yeah. Oh, little locking thing again.
Okay. I think we're done, Harry.
You think? Bang. Look at that.
Click. Click.
Pull it.
So I'm gonna have to pull the cable out and clip it because it's too long.
Ready. That was it?
Boom.
Imagine a CO2
He's
one.
definitely seen better days.
Yeah.
We've been drugged down the track a couple 100 foot.
Couple hundred. All right. I think we're done. Oh, we still got to trim the back, the excess. Since the cable's running shorter, I pushed it out to the back, and we gotta have to cut that out. All right, let's try this setup out, Mr. Harry. Making hits, second, third, and parachute out. Nice and handy position here. Your hand's probably on the shifter anyways. All you gotta do is reach down, grab your extra handle, and pull. Parachute deployed. I like it. Then your headliner becomes free. I'm not gonna show you guys the hole in my headliner because I'm really freaking out about it.
Put you a dome light right there.
I got a dome light right here. 3 of them. 2, well, just 1.
You just need the disco
Yeah.
ball.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Finishing up our little parachute handle install. Look right here. Now, whenever I'm going first, second, third, I'm driving. Pull the parachute.
It's gonna work?
Instead of looking for it over here. Jay said it'll work. Alright. You remember how to do this?
Yeah.
Bottom first. Tuck that flag in first. I remember.
It's like riding a bike.
Why are you making me nervous? Hey, bro, someone with your hand. This thing is frayed. It don't go through.
You're really hard, bro.
Dude, I can't get this one through.
Alright, okay.
Things so sketchy. You need to get your new shoestring, bro.
Oh, this is cool. It's so good. Got a lot of life left.
We need to put some heat shrink on it.
Alright, so that's it for that install. That went pretty well. Got my extra piece knocked off there. Cable's where it's supposed to be. It's shortened now a little bit since we put the release handle in a different position here, but I like it. It's good, it's nice, it's handy, it's reachable, all the plus things. Make sure you go check out, like I said, make sure you go check out our boys, Rock Solid Motorsports. I'll put their link down below. They hooked us up not only on the headers, the front tube kit that we have in the car, but now also the parachute handle. This is why you need a Kirky.
Wow.
Because it feels so much better and you feel good in there, don't you?
Yeah.
You feel good in there. You can say.
I like my Jeep seats though.
I don't know, bro. I don't know about the Jeep seats, bro. You can put the steering wheel on and make some noises if you want, bro. Feel free. Alright, so that's it for now. We'll wrap up the video here and go from there.